Hey guys, this is your host Irfan Nasser, and today in this video I want to share a news regarding Microsoft. As we all know that the keyboards on our laptops had Windows button on each side, or in laptops on one side. So it turns out that from now on, all the Windows PCs which will ship with Windows 11 operating system will have a Copilot button on the keyboard. Now this is a big change on the keyboard layout. I don't know, after many years, maybe decades. This means that the Microsoft's generative AI tool, which is known as Copilot, will launch immediately when you click on that Copilot button. Now, it is a new feature that Microsoft plans on implementing or on all the upcoming Windows machines. Let's see as will it be a huge success or not, because most of the people still use ChatGPT, and even in my case, I barely use Copilot AI to do my tasks. But let's see what change it brings. Obviously, older laptops won't be having this thing because they have already been released, which is obvious. Now the new PCs which will released in 2024 and onwards will have this button. And Microsoft has already released a video regarding this feature on their official channel, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So that's what I wanted to share with you guys. So hope you like this video. If you like it, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting more videos soon. So peace out.